Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly what will help clean your kidneys, your lungs, so you can be free of bacteria causing kidney infections, your lungs being cleared, and you live a healthy life free of bacteria infections from the inside. You want to drink it warm to really cleanse, most especially your lungs, your kidney. It cleanses you from the inside. It cleanses bacteria from your system, causing all the kidney stones, kidney infection. Your lungs need to be cleansed, most especially during this period. You know what I'm trying to talk about. These are the kinds of drinks you want to fall in love with to make sure your lungs are cleansed, your kidney cleansed, your whole system free of bacteria infections, and you are so healthy and vibrant from the inside. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you straight away and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, most importantly. So let's quickly get into it. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So let's get into it. So in order to come up with this cleanse, the first ingredient I'll be using will be pineapple peel. Yes, pineapple peel is a very powerful detoxifier. It will detox your system of bacteria, like take you to poo all those waste toxins out of your system, causing bacterial infection leading to kidney stone, kidney infection, or your lungs being infected. It clears your lungs, most especially during this winter period. And this period when we have this situation, you know that you need your lungs to always be clean, very important, and your kidneys. Like this cleanses bacteria out of your system. And I'll be using, this is my pineapple peel that was in the refrigerator. As you can see, it is frost bitten because I just got it from the refrigerator. But what you need to do is just to rinse. When you rinse the pineapple peel, it comes back to life, like fresh. So this is how the peel from half a pineapple, and I stored half of it back in my refrigerator for another drink. So you want to just rinse and put in your bowl, because I washed thoroughly before storing in my refrigerator. So this is it. The peel from half a pineapple is what you need for this cleansing drink of today. So yeah, then the second ingredient I'll be adding, which is a very powerful natural antibacterial properties it has, is garlic. Garlic is a very powerful natural antibiotic. Trust me, you don't want to put in certain medications with side effects in your system, but garlic is a natural antibiotic that will clear bacteria from your system, cleanse you without any side effects, and very cost effective as well. It is not expensive, but will clean your system, clean your organs, most especially your kidneys. Kidney stones are due to over accumulated bacteria in your system, leading to kidney infection, kidney stones. Like you want to cleanse and be free of all that situation. Even your lungs, when you have that cold, that cough or cold, that is bacteria. So you want to cleanse your lungs to be really clean, most especially during this period. You need to add garlic in here to clear up the bacteria causing all the clogged lungs and kidney infections. Like this is so good for cleansing your organs, even your liver as well. Like this is a general good cleanse. So these are 4 cloves of garlic. You just want to get 4 cloves of garlic. You grate and voila, this is what you get, 4 cloves of garlic. I will be adding ginger and turmeric. These have anti-inflammatory properties, very important to clear any inflammation, most especially your lungs. It clears your lungs. So if you have cold, flu, cough, it cleanses your lungs. You know, all those infections, inflammation causing all that situation. And not just that, ginger and turmeric, they boost your metabolism. They help with the breakdown of toxins, waste, bacteria in your system that are hidden and stored up, causing illnesses like kidney infection, kidney stone. It breaks down all the toxins and bacteria from your system, so you can have that clean system free of bacterial infections leading to kidney stones or your lungs being clogged. Like it clears you up. So what you need is, you want to achieve 1 tablespoon of turmeric. So if you are using turmeric powder, you can use 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger. So I'm trying to peel now and crush, or you grate. When you grate, what you want to achieve is 1 tablespoon of each of the ingredients. So I'll grate now and I'll achieve 1 tablespoon of each. Very good at boosting your metabolism as well, so you can lose some weight, most especially belly fat. This crushes down fat accumulation in your system, melts, and so you can stay healthy. So this will remove excess cholesterol from your system, excess fats, fat store up, causing high levels of cholesterol or bad oils in your system, bad fats, for you to live a healthy life. Like, this drink is so good, so healthy for the natural well-being of your body. So this is it. You want to just crush, 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 and voila. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. So now I'll be adding in a lemon. Lemons are highly rich in vitamin C for immunity boost. We need our immunities to be strong. When your immunity is strong, it can easily combat sicknesses and diseases as well. And we are out here to cleanse, clean our system to be in high function mode. So you want those organs to be cleansed, and you need lemon to boost your immunity, to give you that strong immunity to fight and cleanse, fight, so you can be stronger, not easily prone to sicknesses. So this is one sliced lemon. Now what I want to do is put my ingredients in a pot, and I'll be boiling water to use, because I don't want to really overcook these ingredients. But trust me, you don't want to eat this pineapple peel raw. You can have wounds in your mouth. The benefits come when you boil. This is something you boil. This is traditional. Because some people might think when you boil ingredients, you don't get the benefits. It's just like tea, green tea. You can't just get green tea and start chewing. You need to make tea. You need to put it in hot water to get the benefits. This is exactly how you put these ingredients together to get the benefit. So I will just be adding a stick of cinnamon. You can add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is very good for detoxing the system, cleansing the system as well. It is optional. If you don't have cinnamon stick, that is fine, or cinnamon powder, but I'm just adding for full cleansing. So this is water I boiled, so I don't need to cook this for so long. Like, I just need to put it on my stove now for just like 10-15 minutes, and boom, I'm done. So this is it on my stove. I'll just leave it for like 15 minutes maximum. Since I added in hot water, boiling water, which is already like, will help to facilitate the cooking process. So this is it. 15 minutes after, you want to turn off your stove and put allow the ingredients to really get infused together in the water to make that strong detox cleanse that it can clean you from the inside. So this is it. I'll allow it to cool down. When it cools down to a temperature that you can easily consume, that is when you transfer it in your cup, and it is good for consumption. So I like drinking in a large cup. I don't drink in tiny cups. You want this thing to get enough of it to get into your system. So if you notice, my cups, my tea cups are very big, because I really want whatever I'm drinking, even if it is my fat burning tea or my detox cleanse, I drink enough of it on an empty stomach. You don't want to drink in tiny little cups. Get a large cup and consume this to really get into your system, enough of it to get into your system and cleanse you. So you can have this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach without eating anything. Last thing at bedtime, like when your system is so clean that no food will obstruct or oil obstruct the cleansing process. That is it. So this is early morning. As you can see, this is morning. I just got up without eating anything, and this is the first thing I'm drinking in the morning on an empty stomach. One large cup of this cleanse, and I'll drink another at bedtime. So this is something you want to double up the quantity or make in a large quantity and share with your family and friends, for us to all be cleansed and stay healthy. Trust me, if you practice this habit of cleansing your body, you will hardly be sick. You will always be vibrant. This is the secret. The secret is to be proactive and not reactive. Proactive. Fight these diseases before you even have them in the first place. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Bye.